Here's a little story called Maria's Salad Mix-Up. Enjoy. Maria is a new English learner. She lives in a small town. Today, she visits a cozy restaurant. The tables are outside. The sun is shining. Maria feels excited, but nervous. She wants to practice her English with another person. Maria looks at the menu. She sees salad and bread. She loves salads. The waiter, Tom, walks to her table. He smiles and says, "Hello, welcome. What would you like today?" Maria feels shy. She practices her words with the waiter. Maria says slowly, "I want a salad, please. And bread." Tom nods. "Great." He continues, "Do you want a side salad or a big salad?" Maria does not understand the term side for salad. She thinks for a moment. She says, a side salad." Maria is unsure of herself. Tom writes it down and says, "Okay, one side salad and bread. Anything else?" Maria shakes her head. "No, thank you." After 10 minutes, Tom brings a tiny salad. Maria says with surprise, "It is very small." She wanted a normal-sized salad. She feels embarrassed. "Excuse me," she says, "this salad is small. I want a larger salad." Tom looks confused. He says, "Oh, I'm sorry. You said side salad. That's small. A bigger salad is called a dinner salad. Do you want that?" Maria nods. She says, "Yes, please. A dinner salad." Tom laughs kindly. "No problem. I'll bring a dinner salad now." Maria felt her face get warm. She thinks she made a big mistake. But Tom is nice. He soon brings a large, fresh salad with bread. Maria smiles. She says, "Thank you so much." Maria eats her salad. It is delicious. She feels proud. She did use English today, even with a mistake. Tom checks on her later and asks, "Is everything good?" Maria said, "Yes, very good." She learns that mistakes are okay. They help her grow. Next time, she will ask more questions. Maria leaves the restaurant happy. She knows speaking in English can be difficult, but she is learning. Mistakes are just a part of the journey. Thank you for watching today. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for more Chat English practice. Bye-bye.